So for the front, you'd want to take off the end link, brake line, ABS, and this 17 millimeter. Sometimes, depends what model, you gotta take this off right here, these 3 bolts, and then move it. And then once you do that, you just push it down right here and it'll slide right out. Go on top, take the 3 bolts off, and that's it for the front. So for the rear camber arms, you gotta take this bolt off, and then there's a bolt back right here, kind of hard to see. Both 17s. You gotta have some support down here. You can use a jack or a jack stand if you have a lift. Take the end link off, take the knuckle off, bring it down, spring will come out. And the top of the shock, bolt it up there, just like this. And break this loose. Take this off first with the end link. It'll be easier if you jack up the front, both sides. So go up and down like that. There's no pressure on it. Then you take this bolt off, and then take these lines off. It's always better to do these first so you don't forget them. Spray some PV Blaster or WD-40. Looks like we are out of this. Makes it a little easier. You don't really need to spread the knuckle back here, and it will help, but sometimes, most of the time, you don't need to. And so you can tell too right here, if your axle is hitting on the body, that means we got to take this off. 3 of them. Right. It's a lot easier if you have a lift. We used to do these on the floor all the time. It sucks. This is out. Now you just gotta go on the top. This 14. Tap it out. To make sure you get someone to hold that so it don't fall off. Ready? Alright, it's loose. Oh, we good? I'll just use the stock ones. Now I just aim it there. Boom, boom, boom. This guy wants, these cars are gonna just camber like that. He wants it more to spec. So we'll put it this way, see where it gets us, and then we'll adjust here if we have to when we're doing the alignment. Where is my 14? Oh, right in front of me. That's it. Straight up. Can you hand me the 17? Yeah, the driver's side's a lot easier. You don't have to take off the lower control arm or maneuver it all. 17. Good torque to spec. This one's 58 pounds. 17. These ones down here are 47. $2 tip. That was pretty cool. I can't see, bro. 47. Make sure you have your jack under there or jack stand. Preload on the suspension. So this side I didn't show. This side's a lot easier. Don't gotta take nothing off, just this bolt, this nut on the end link, ABS cables, WD-40 or PB Blaster to help you out. Push it down. You can do it with your foot. If you do it on the floor, it just come right out. It's a lot easier. And then some models. So top bolt's 33. Get the whole bird's nest in here. Clean that out. Clean it out right now.